Now this situation brings me back to the number 5. So now, today, in today's environment, 1 in 5 flights is irregular. And by irregular, I mean is early, delayed, it's having to be slotted in if they're doing a turnaround or, fly around to come back into land. So 1 in 5 flights is irregular. So all these plans that we come up with on a day-to-day basis at the beginning of our shift, if we have more than 5 flights, we know that plan is going to change. So we really need to start thinking proactively. Now, one of the ways that we can do this is imagine if your operations were able to talk to each other. Imagine if flight operations and terminal operations were connected. The information share, the data share between these two was collaborative, so that flight operations had a clear idea of what was happening within the terminal and vice versa. It's so beneficial. In this situation, if we'd known that these flights were coming in early and late, we could have proactively managed or automatically managed this plan. We know when these flights are due to land, so we could plan accordingly our resource, whether that is telling people to go on their lunch breaks now or holding off or potentially calling in other people to come in and man the stations. But we're able to predict what is going to happen when these 4 aircraft land. What that means is people spending their time in this airport, it's going to be a good experience, positive, rather than a bad experience, which is what they expect or what they will feel when we don't talk to each other. So collaboration is key. If we work together and look at optimizing every aspect of your operations, you're not going to have Twitter #AirportRage. You're going to have manageable service level agreements that you can set up yourself to manage your processes to the best of your ability. If you want to grow your airport and you want to avoid losing passengers and you want passengers to choose your airport based on positive experiences, then you need to look at the ability to predict irregular operations and manage them proactively so that you're not left with this negative perception. And that's what I'd really like to talk to you about today.